Hello, back again with Galaxy's Family Dish tutorial. This time, I made sauteed broccoli, mushrooms, and carrots. Then also another source of protein whose color is very dark and may make people not appetite to eat, but it tastes very delicious. The dish is squid black cooked with its ink. Watch the video so that the result of your dish will be delicious too. The ingredients we use for stir fry are carrots, broccoli, and mushrooms. For the spices, I use onions. Later, I will use English soy sauce and a little sesame oil for cooking. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to saute the onion. Then add a little English soy sauce and continue sauteing until smell nice. Put the carrot and saute briefly, then add 1 glass of water and continue sauteing it. There are broccoli soaked in salt water for a few minutes. After the carrots are half cooked and or slightly tender, then add the broccoli. Add more water until the vegetables are submerged. Put the mushrooms into the wok. And stir fry again for a few moments. Wait for a few moments until the water boils while stirring well. Already boiling, stir again so the mushrooms are evenly cooked. Let's leave it and it's ready to be served. This is the result of sauteed mushroom, broccoli, and carrots. Please add salt according to taste when the dish is cold. Continue to the next dish. Now, to cook the squid with its ink, we prepare the spices that I will use. There is a garlic, galangal, ginger, dried bay leaves, and tamarind. Tamarind will be added later while I cook. Before we put it into the wok, mash the spices we have prepared to make the flavor come out. Stir fry for a while. Add the squid. Then stir. We don't need to add water because when the squid is cooked, it will release enough water. Stir again for a while. If it starts boiling, add the tamarind. You can add the tamarind according to the taste that you expect. The more the tamarind and ginger added, the fishy smell will be disgusted, and you will get special sour from tamarind in your dish. Stir for a few moments. Let it boil perfectly. When we see the water has begun to decrease, we stir again, so the squid will not sticky to the wok. It is done. When the water dries, let's turn off the stove. Don't forget to sprinkle with salt when the dish already cold. Finish and serve! I really appreciate for your like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, plus click the bell.